Hi there, today going to learn about how to change a cursor style on our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix dashboard for my website. So we will just click on apps, and then from manage apps, we can click on get more apps. So we will be redirected into the app market. So from here, you can just search for cursor, and then there will be different options right here in order to add your cursor. So some people use this app right here, Cursors, great with effects. So this one's a good app, but you will need to have a premium site in order to use this one. So if you don't have that, you can choose from different options as well. So for example, we have this one, the typewriter animation. If you want to have that, you can add it to the website for free. And then if you want to use this one, the mega animated cursor effects, you can also use this one, but you will have a 3-day free trial only. For example, if I will add this to the site, I'll just click on agree and add. Well, let's just wait for it to load. So after it has done loading, you can just click on start the 3-day free trial, and then you will be redirected to this page right here where you can insert or choose the method, the payment method that you will choose, for example this one, and then you will choose a billing cycle. And then once you go to the checkout, you will need to enter your payment details, and then you can go and start the free trial in order to change your cursor. But we also have other options right here, like for example the animated cursor image trail. It also has a free plan. So mostly from the things here, you will need to choose a free plan available. And then that is it. That's how you change the cursor style in your Wix website. And thank you for watching.